Scratch is also available in an offline version, so you can use Scratch without connecting to the internet. To install Scratch, you must first download the installation file at scratch.mit.edu. Go to the bottom, and look for the link to download. After the download is complete, install Scratch. After you install it, you can open Scratch on your computer or tablet, even if you don't use the internet. For this course, you can use the online version of Scratch or download it offline. Both are almost the same. The only difference is that in the online version, you can share the results of your work with other people. So, if you want to show your app to friends, or teachers, or anyone else, use the online version. Remember, for the online version, you must be connected to the internet. So if the internet at your house is slow, or you can't access the internet, download and use the offline version.